Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete all viruses on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to remove viruses from your iPhone, try by restarting your device. So if it does not solve the problem, it will have some different kind of viruses related to all about cookies. So if this does not help, then you can also make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as updates often include security patches that address potential vulnerabilities. Otherwise, you can also delete suspicious apps and clear cache and history. So by doing this, data associated with potential viruses will also be cleaned. Now, if you have a backup of your iPhone from before the suspected virus infection, restoring from that backup can help eliminate the malware. And as a last resort, you can also perform a factory reset. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.